The International Residential Code (IRC) requires kitchens to have general lighting that provides a minimum of 30-foot candles of illumination on the kitchen work surfaces. This level of illumination can be achieved with fluorescent light-emitting diode or incandescent lighting. So all three are acceptable, provided they meet the minimum illumination requirement. There are no exceptions to the general lighting requirement for kitchens. However, the IRC does allow for supplemental lighting to be used in addition to the general lighting. Supplemental lighting can be used to create a more ambient or decorative atmosphere in the kitchen. Recessed lights with incandescent lamps can be used in kitchens as general lighting, but they will not provide the same level of illumination as fluorescent or LED lights. Incandescent lights are less efficient than fluorescent and LED lights, and they produce more heat. As a result, they are not the best choice for general lighting in kitchens from an energy consumption and heat perspective. If new general lighting is being installed in a kitchen, it is recommended that fluorescent or LED lighting be used. These lights are more efficient, produce less heat, and provide a higher level of illumination than incandescent lights. When designing or modifying kitchen lighting, always refer to the local building codes and regulations. It's also advisable to consult with a qualified electrician or lighting designer to ensure compliance and optimal lighting performance. Building codes are put in place to ensure electrical safety and that the design meets a minimum level of energy efficiency. Meeting minimum illumination requirements is crucial for ensuring a safe and functional kitchen environment. Poor lighting can lead to accidents and make food preparation difficult. Energy-efficient lighting options can lead to significant cost savings on utility bills over time. LED and fluorescent lights use significantly less energy than incandescent lights, reducing the overall energy consumption of the home. The heat generated by incandescent lights can increase the load on air conditioning systems, especially during the summer months. Switching to cooler lighting options like LED can help reduce cooling costs. Consider the color temperature of the lighting when selecting fixtures. Warm white light creates a cozy atmosphere, while cool white light provides better visibility for tasks. It is important to strike a balance between aesthetics and functionality when planning kitchen lighting. Consider the placement of fixtures to minimize shadows and maximize illumination on work surfaces. Dimmers can be used to adjust the light level to suit different tasks and moods. This allows for greater flexibility and control over the kitchen environment. Proper lighting can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a kitchen, highlighting design features and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Consider using a combination of general, task, and accent lighting to achieve the desired effect. Task lighting focuses on providing illumination for specific work areas such as countertops, sinks, and stoves. Accent lighting is used to highlight decorative elements or architectural features. The efficiency of a light source is measured in lumens per watt. Lumens represent the total amount of light emitted, while watts indicate the amount of energy consumed. A higher lumens per watt ratio indicates greater efficiency. LED typically have a much higher lumens per watt ratio than incandescent lights. This means they produce more light while using less energy. The lifespan of a light source is another important factor to consider. LED have a significantly longer lifespan than incandescent lights, reducing the need for frequent replacement. Incandescent lights typically last for around 1,000 hours, while LED can last for 25,000 hours or more. The color rendering index (CRI) measures how accurately a light source renders colors compared to natural sunlight. A higher CRI indicates better color rendering. LED are available with a wide range of CRI values, allowing to choose options that best suit the needs. When choosing recessed lights, consider the size and depth of the fixture. Ensure that the fixture is compatible with the type of bulb being used. Consider the angle of the light beam when selecting recessed lights. Narrow beam angles are suitable for highlighting specific objects, while wider beam angles provide more general illumination. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing lighting fixtures. Proper installation is essential for safety and performance. Use appropriate wiring and connectors to ensure a secure and reliable electrical connection. Be sure to turn off the power at the circuit breaker before working on any electrical wiring. If unsure about any aspect of the installation process, consult with a qualified electrician. Regular maintenance can help to extend the lifespan of lighting fixtures. Clean fixtures regularly to remove dust and debris. Replace bulbs promptly when they burn out. Inspect wiring and connections periodically to ensure they are in good condition. Consider using smart lighting controls to automate lighting and conserve energy. Smart lighting systems can be programmed to turn lights on and off at specific times, or to adjust the brightness based on occupancy. Motion sensors can be used to automatically turn on lights when someone enters a room. This can be especially useful in areas such as hallways and bathrooms. Some smart lighting systems can be controlled remotely via a smartphone or tablet. This allows to adjust lighting even when away from home. Explore rebates and incentives offered by local utility companies for energy-efficient lighting upgrades. These programs can help to offset the cost of new fixtures. Check with the local utility company or energy efficiency organizations for information on available programs. Consider the environmental impact of lighting choices. LED are more environmentally friendly than incandescent lights because they use less energy and last longer. Incandescent lights produce more greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to air pollution. Dispose of old light bulbs properly. Fluorescent bulbs contain mercury and should be recycled rather than thrown in the trash. Look for recycling centers that accept fluorescent bulbs and other electronic waste. Stay up to date on the latest lighting technologies and trends. New and improved lighting products are constantly being developed. Attend trade shows, read industry publications, and consult with lighting professionals to stay informed. Consider the overall design of the kitchen when planning lighting. The lighting should complement the style of the cabinets, countertops, and appliances. Coordinate lighting with other design elements to create a cohesive and visually appealing space. Think about the tasks that will be performed in the kitchen and choose lighting that is appropriate for those tasks. For example, brighter lighting is needed for tasks such as chopping vegetables and reading recipes. Softer lighting may be more suitable for dining and entertaining. Consider the size of the kitchen when determining the amount of lighting needed. Larger kitchens will require more fixtures to provide adequate illumination. Use a light meter to measure the actual light levels in the kitchen and ensure that they meet the minimum requirements of the IRC. Account for the natural light that is available in the kitchen. Maximize the use of natural light by placing windows and skylights strategically. Use light-colored paint and materials to reflect natural light and brighten the space. Consider the placement of furniture and appliances when planning lighting. Avoid placing furniture in front of windows or light fixtures. Choose appliances with built-in lighting to provide additional illumination on work surfaces. Consider the height of the ceiling when selecting lighting fixtures. High ceilings may require larger or more powerful fixtures. Use pendant lights or chandeliers to add visual interest to kitchens with high ceilings. Consider the style of the home when choosing lighting fixtures. The lighting should complement the overall architectural style of the home. Choose fixtures that are consistent with the period and character of the home. Consult with an interior designer for guidance on lighting design. An interior designer can help to create a lighting plan that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Consider the budget when planning lighting. Lighting fixtures can range in price from inexpensive to very expensive. Set a budget and stick to it when selecting lighting fixtures. Shop around and compare prices from different retailers. Look for sales and discounts to save money on lighting fixtures. Consider the long-term cost of ownership when making lighting decisions. Energy-efficient lighting options may have a higher initial cost, but they will save money in the long run. Factor in the cost of electricity, maintenance, and replacement when comparing different lighting options. Choose lighting that is durable and long-lasting. Well-made lighting fixtures will provide years of reliable service. Inspect lighting fixtures carefully before purchasing them. Look for any signs of damage or defects. Read reviews and ratings from other customers before making a purchase. Ask the salesperson for advice on choosing the best lighting fixtures for the needs. A knowledgeable salesperson can provide valuable information and guidance. Consider the warranty on lighting fixtures. A good warranty will protect against defects in materials and workmanship. Read the warranty carefully before purchasing lighting fixtures. Keep the receipt and warranty information in a safe place. If you have any problems with lighting fixtures, contact the manufacturer or retailer for assistance. They may be able to repair or replace the fixtures. Take good care of the lighting fixtures and they will provide years of enjoyment. Clean them regularly, replace bulbs promptly, and inspect them periodically. With proper care, lighting fixtures can last for many years. The illumination level is dependent on the tasks performed within that space. For example, reading a book requires more illumination than watching television. Task lighting should be strategically placed to illuminate workspaces without creating glare. Dimmers offer flexibility, adapting the lighting intensity to the activity and time of day, conserving energy and setting the ambience. Natural light reduces reliance on artificial sources, lowering energy consumption and enhancing well-being. Utilizing light-colored paints and reflective surfaces amplifies the effect of both natural and artificial light, brightening the space. In kitchen environments, under-cabinet lighting illuminates countertops, improving visibility for food preparation. Proper lighting design enhances safety, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries in workspaces. Choosing energy-efficient bulbs lowers electricity bills and minimizes environmental impact, promoting sustainable living. Long-lasting LED bulbs reduce the frequency of replacements, saving time and resources in maintenance efforts. The color temperature of lighting influences mood, with warmer tones creating a cozy feel and cooler tones promoting alertness. Smart lighting systems provide automated control, optimizing energy use and adjusting settings remotely for convenience. Motion sensors automatically activate lights when someone enters a room, preventing unnecessary energy consumption in vacant areas. Daylighting strategies maximize natural light penetration, decreasing the need for artificial lighting during daylight hours. Occupancy sensors adjust lighting levels based on room occupancy, ensuring lights are on only when needed. A lighting control system should be intuitive and easy to operate, facilitating user adoption and energy savings. Consider the psychological effects of lighting, using lighting to create a comfortable and inviting atmosphere in the space. Integrate lighting with the architectural design, complementing the space's aesthetics and enhancing its visual appeal. Lighting plays a crucial role in showcasing artwork or architectural details, highlighting features and adding visual interest. Ensure that lighting meets accessibility standards, accommodating the needs of people with visual impairments or disabilities. Different types of light sources have varying spectral power distributions, impacting color rendering and visual comfort. Proper lighting minimizes eye strain and fatigue, creating a more comfortable and productive environment for the users. Consider the impact of lighting on sleep patterns, using warmer tones in the evening to promote relaxation and prepare for sleep. Different lighting techniques can enhance depth and dimension, creating a more dynamic and engaging visual experience. The choice of lighting can influence perception of space, making a room feel larger, cozier, or more intimate. The ideal lighting solution balances aesthetics, functionality, energy efficiency, and user well-being to create a harmonious environment.